I am Mahi, and this is my brother's wine glass, and I'm drinking hot chocolate from it like an adult. Today I am ready to talk about writer's block. Yes. So writer's block. What exactly is writer's block? It's like staring at the blinking cursor on your Word or Scrivener document and wishing you would get hit by a creative lightning and get some inspiration or some juice, and that's how I see it. But it's more than just that. If you are going through writer's block and just staring at a blank page without writing anything for hours still and wishing someone just slammed a book on you to write something or put a gun on your head to force you to write it, it's a writer's block probably. Just know that you are not alone, because most of the newbie writers, authors, or even pros like Neil Gaiman, Stephen King, and many other authors go through it, and not just during the first draft but rewriting it or during second or third drafts. So just know that you are not alone, you're not exceptional to the writer's block thing. Most of us go through it, and in this video I will try to help you push through this, because I've been stuck in that writer's block after a burnout of publishing 2 books within 6 months and then going without writing a single word for 2 months, and that's a lot for me. I have never gone through such a long period without writing anything. Try these methods. If it doesn't work, make hot cocoa and I don't know. So first is know that you are not alone, as I said before. Second is answering why. Why am I stuck? You have to be honest with yourself. Is it because you are lazy, procrastinating, binging series after series or animes after animes on Netflix? Or is it K-dramas? Really, what is it? Or is it creativity? Or the lack of creativity that is stopping you from writing? If you are lazy, I can only advise you to start a 20-minute timer on your phone and keep writing. But if it's a creativity block, write anyway. That may have pissed you off, but it's the truth. You have to push through it, because in my opinion, if you wait for the writer's block to go away on its own and do absolutely nothing about it, then it's the death of art. How to push through this? Try free writing. What is free writing? Free writing is put a pen to a paper or open a blank document and just write whatever comes through your head. If it's about taking your pets to the vet, or getting your eye checkup, or going to gynecologist, or waking up at 3 in the morning to write that new dialogue which you had about the mafia boss, write that. Just getting your head clear, or all your thoughts and venting and writing ideas, absolutely everything on a piece of paper or a blank document. Accepting that whatever you are going to write during the writer's block is going to be shitty. You have to accept and embrace it. Don't starve your creativity for your perfectionism. If you don't want to work on your current project, open some old drafts, some cringy stuff, some crappy stuff which you know you will never publish or won't let anyone read it. So work on that, because you know it's going to be crappy, and it's okay. You have to accept it. After writing through 6 or 7 pages, at least you will have a page or a paragraph, or at least one brilliant line which you can use, or even had a new writing idea of a series. Remember, you have to write through this, and if you are struggling to push through this, just start a 5-minute timer. Write whatever you can write. Even if it's a 1 word, you have won. If none of this is working, go for a walk, because you have been on a dungeon-like room for hours without light and water and food. Do yourself a favor and go take a warm shower or a warm bath. Play with your pets. Talk with someone, call someone, talk to your cats like I do sometimes. Because I am such a big introvert, I like to isolate myself from everything and everything. I lock the door to my room and just stay alone, stare at the ceiling for 5, 10, 20 minutes and just exist. Nothing is working. All you have to do is slow down yourself, just exist. Take a breather, go for a walk, do all the stuff that I mentioned, ask someone for a hug, make yourself some hot cocoa. Also, it's a good idea to think back on why you are writing. What was your main goal becoming a writer? What was your purpose? If it's for money, we both know that it's time to reflect on that goal, because money is secondary or tertiary. But what was your main purpose starting to write? Why did you felt the need to write this book and not some other mafia action romance or werewolf romance? Why this exactly? And not just romance, if it's chick lit or suspense, mystery, fantasy, you have to take a few steps back, write down your why if you haven't already. I hope this video helped you in any way, and remember that you can edit those crappy pages, but what you cannot edit is a blank page. So make some cocoa and get to writing. Good luck. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell. If you want to see any other videos, do let me know in the comments below. And thank you so much to my Patreons who have supported my writing throughout the entire 2020 and 2021. I'm so grateful to you guys. If you are watching this till the end, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys soon.